Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammer Doc. Just opened the suitcase. And go ahead and remove the contents. Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to let me see in order to do this. I need to set this camera down. Okay. Hopefully it'll work. Excellent. Unique approach to packing a heavy Hammond A028. Here are the tubes. So I'll take the tubes and place them over by my tube testing station and uncover this preamplifier. And here it is. So this was sent in for a rebuild job or to be refurbished, and I already see some things that need to be done. This amp need to pull these caps. Somebody try to fix that by putting these electrolytics, attaching these electrolytics to the can. I'll get rid of that. Let me bring my camera back over here. Well, here we go. Get my hand out of the way. And so here we are. This is one of the later versions of the A028, because I can see here these caps. There's three of them. Let's see. 1, 2, and there was one right here, but it's been replaced, looks like. So two of them here, 1 and 2, but that's what lets me know this is one of the later versions of this preamplifier. All right, so I'll get this squared away for the customer, and some work has already been done on this preamp right here. All right, so this is what has come in, and this is what we're going to work on. Till the next video, Dr. Campy of the Hammond Doc. What's going on right here? Oh, okay. All right. Wonderful. Till the next video. Take care. Goodbye.